Well, that's it. Fully assembled the Genmitsu 3018 version 2 from SainSmart. Really appreciate you guys. Kit was easy, instructions were easy to follow, had all the tools I needed. The only thing I had to pull out were my snips so that I could snip off the zip ties and keep things nice and clean. But they've included the zip ties I needed. There's spares of everything in here. There's even a spare limit switch and spare hardware. There's still a whole set of hardware for clamps so that I can clamp things down to the bed. Next up for me is software, so I gotta go plug this in and get started drafting some stuff to start cutting. Really appreciate you again, SainSmart. Thank you. Go over to SainSmart.com to check out all their CNC and 3D printing gear. You know I love the SainSmart filament. Absolutely everything in the store is printed on SainSmart. Thank you again, and if you want to win this, come out to Castle Crash 3D. We're going to be celebrating all things 3D, 3D printing, 3D CNC work, 3D piloting. Come on out. It's going to be a lot of fun. August 30th through September 2nd in South Carolina. Go to castlecrash.org for more info and SainSmart.com for more of these awesome machines.